Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Suman Kothari, and okay, before we start with the video, let me just, I'm sure you guys know about the Kerala thing and the entire disaster that is happening in Kerala right now, and I also know you guys have already done some bit of yours, but anybody else who is still looking forward to donate them, I'll be just dropping the link in the description box below, so you can just check out there and you can donate whatever you can and help out those guys. All we can do is pray for them right now. The loss has already happened, so yeah, let's support them and get them recover as soon as possible. Let's just start with the video now. The very most important thing about getting braces is, so before choosing the doctor, know him well about how know him well, matlab not him well, but the appointments that he's giving you, and also the cost, which is very important, because I have changed my doctor after 3 months. That is in middle of these entire braces procedures. So I would really like to share that, but that is going to take a bit long. So either I'll do it in the end of the video if this video doesn't turn out to be long, or in the next video. So stay tuned and watch till the end. Let's begin. If you are anything like me, who is going to think, अरे यार braces डालने के बाद हमको देखकर they'll feel all awkward and they'll make those faces and they might not like us and we're gonna look ugly and all of that shit. That is complete utter shit. Trust me guys, after putting braces, people do not even care that you have one. Like the very first time when you meet, your friends might just ask, oh finally तूने braces लगवा ही लिए, like you've been telling us from so long. This is all that you're going to hear. That's it. उसके अलावा nobody is going to even bother and you are still going to look pretty. Do I look pretty? Yes, except for the yellow wire. Yes, I do. Yeah, so go pretty, you will be pretty. So always be confident and don't think that people are going to think anything, because it's you who is thinking a lot and nobody else. So chill and just get them. Always carry a lip balm for all your appointments, especially the first one when you're gonna get your braces, because तब वो लोग है ना तुम्हारे मुंह में एक suction pipe डालेंगे जिससे the entire saliva is gonna get sucked, so your entire mouth is gonna feel a lot dry. And plus, while putting up the braces, they're gonna apply some cream which is gonna add on to the dryness. So yeah, the moment you come out of the clinic, your entire mouth will be all that white and chalky. मैंने face कर दिया because I did not carry a lip balm, so you better do it if you want to avoid all of that shit. Next is, if you have never faced or come across ulcers in your mouth, that is the so-called big chalas in your mouth, then be ready with it, because you're gonna face a bunch of them during the entire braces period, because वो हर दूसरे तीसरे दिन तुम्हें एक आता है, दूसरा जाता है, तो तीसरा आ जाता है, something like that, and it hurts, but yeah, that's okay. So you're gonna face them a lot. You will not really realize that you have braces after 2 weeks, because तुम्हें सिर्फ फर्स्ट वीक वो टाइम लगता है टू गेट अडेप्टेड टू इट, एंड बिकॉज इट हर्ट्स, तो तुम्हें लगता है कि हाँ वो तुम्हारे मुंह में कुछ तो भी है, बट आफ्टर 2 weeks, ट्रस्ट मी, यू वोंट इवन रियलाइज दैट यू हैव वन, एंड टाइम इज गोना फ्लाई बाय. ट्रस्ट मी ऑन दैट. लाइक इफ यू आर समवन हु इज थिंकिंग कि बस मेरे को पूरा 1 साल उन ब्रेसेस में रहना पड़ेगा यार, वो कैसे लगेंगे, दिस इन दैट, नो, तुम्हें पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि तुम्हारा टाइम कहाँ चला गया. लाइक आई एम ऑलरेडी डाउन विथ 6 months, एंड प्लस इफ यू टेक थरो केयर ऑफ योर ब्रेसेस, आई विल मेक अ वीडियो ऑन दिस. इफ यू टेक थरो केयर ऑफ योर ब्रेसेस, देन इट माइट बी कि तुम्हारे ब्रेसेस का टाइम पीरियड कम हो जाए. मेरा 2 महीने से ऑलरेडी कम हो चुका है. सो या, आई एम हैप्पी अबाउट इट. आई एम नॉट गोना टेक ओनली 6 months more. Yay! So I have a lot of relatives and my uncle and auntie also watch my video. So let me just be very clear. I have only heard about this thing. I have just heard from my friends who also have braces that you can actually kiss in braces. So yeah, I have only heard that you can actually kiss in braces and it's not gonna affect your relationship by any chance. So yeah, chill. Like take a chill pill. Nothing's gonna happen like that. And yes, you can. Okay, running up to the next point is, you will also make new friends randomly, especially when you are somewhere out and you actually find a person who has braces. You will just automatically feel connected, because इसको भी braces है, मुझे भी braces है. Sort of that is gonna happen. Like you are not gonna feel all alone कि यार सिर्फ मुझे braces है. You're just gonna be like, oh what's up. It will actually happen to you once you get braces. So don't worry, you're never gonna feel out of the place. Metal or ceramic braces. So if you're still confused which one to have, you can have anything. Like if you're a college student or anybody, then I think I would suggest you to have metal ones, and these are like ceramics, all the transparent ones. So I had ceramics because of the shoots and all of that stuff, but if you are somebody who's just a college student, I think you should really go with the metal ones. Okay, so after a span of 3 or 4 months, then your doctor starts tightening your braces, and that is when the actual hurting begins. Like trust me, I think I'm the most strongest person that I've ever met in my life, and I don't rely on painkillers or any of those tablets. But when it comes to the braces pain, no, I was literally down with fever the very next day. I got my braces tightened. I'll take you guys to my next appointment. So yeah, you can actually see what happens and everything. You can just get a look at it. But yeah, that's the most painful period. And also you can't have a lot of things during your braces. Like if you are a junk lover, then let me tell you, if you have a period of 1 year, then you're gonna go on a 6 months diet. Yes, because you almost can't have anything. In my first video, I probably said that you should not have rice because when you have it, it gets stuck here, everywhere in your mouth. But I think I was wrong because that was the only thing left that I could rely on, and some juices. There's a lot of things that you can't have, as in pizzas, and if you're a junk lover, as I said, nothing at all. So yes, be ready for it. Oh, you guys, I'm not just discouraging you to have braces because you should have braces. In fact, you should actually have it as earliest as you can. And if you're in your college days, then get it. Go get it. I still made it too late because I was planning to have it during my 13th, and now I have passed college and it's been 2 years and now I'm having it. So yeah, a young age can adapt to things really fast. But you can have your braces at any age, even after when you turn 40, 50. Trust me, in USA it's no big deal. People still have braces at their age of 50, and in India थोड़ा हो जाता है कि 25 साल के बाद यार बच्चे शादी and this and that, so you don't have braces. But yes, so have braces as early as you can and don't think a lot. You will still look pretty. So if you're someone who doesn't have a lot of water generally, but you are willing to have it like everybody else, then braces is the right thing for you. Because things get stuck to your braces and you don't want others to see you what you've eaten in the past 5-4 hours. So yeah, कभी कभार तो ऐसा भी हो जाता है कि 4-5 घंटे बाद you realize कि यार ये तो अभी तक भी इधर ही है, like what is wrong with it. So yeah, you tend to have a lot of water and that's something good. The weirdest thing is when you have braces, your lips, so this entire thing gets a bit lift up. You can see that mold. I don't know if you can see, I really like it because I have those thin, very thin lips. So I really like these lips, these fluffy ones. But I'm not gonna have it after I remove my braces. They are going to settle back again. So yeah, chill if you are also facing the same problem because it just happens. Okay, so let me tell you guys why I changed my doctor सबसे पहले तो, and then we'll talk about the cost because I'm sure you guys are waiting for that. So I changed my doctor because after 3 months I realized कि एक तो ये डॉक्टर सिर्फ महीने में एक ही बार अपॉइंटमेंट देते, तो जो भी तुम प्राइवेट क्लिनिक्स में जाओगे, आई एम श्योर तुम 3-4 क्लिनिक्स भटकोगे प्राइस कंपेयर करने के लिए ऑल ऑफ दैट. तो वो डॉक्टर को स्पेशली तो ये पूछना कि वो कितने टाइम में तुम्हें अपॉइंटमेंट दे सकते हैं. और मेरा डॉक्टर सिर्फ महीने में एक बार आता था. जनरली ऑल द स्पेशलिस्ट कम्स ओनली वंस इन अ मंथ. सो दैट इज अ प्रॉब्लम बिकॉज एवरी नाउ एंड देन you might have a problem with your braces, like you might get a lot of pain, you might break your brackets. So yeah, things can happen and then you'll have to wait, which I had to do. In fact, once I missed my appointment, so I had to wait for the other appointment for an entire month. So this thing I know will affect the period of time of my braces. It might extend because of these stupid things. Okay, so I visited this Maru hospital which is nearby in my house and it's a private trust hospital. I'm sure a lot of Mumbaikars already know about it. So the reason I did not visit there before because I thought वो ज़्यादा time consume कर लेगा because एक तो वो hospital है, so ज़्यादा queue होगा and this and that. But let me tell you guys, this braces is something जिसका appointment ज़्यादा 10 मिनट का होता है. 10 मिनट में तुम्हारा काम खत्म and you just go. So even if you have a lot of people in the queue, you will still end up being there for not more than half an hour. क्योंकि एक तो इस हॉस्पिटल में 2-3 डॉक्टर्स होते हैं एक साथ में, and plus the best part was कि यहाँ पे डॉक्टर्स 2 बार आते हैं महीने में. So if anything happens and if anything you want to show to the doctor, they are always available. Apart from this, the most important thing was the price. Like I was paying 55,000 to the doctor that I visited before. I'm not saying he charged me a lot because it was a clinic. He might have charged me too much, but that's actually too much. So and then when I went at this hospital, उन लोगों ने मुझे क्या बोला पता है, सेरामिक्स का दोनों अप एंड डाउन बोथ विल कॉस्ट मी ओनली 28,000. Only 28,000. From 55,000 to 28,000. It's too much. And if you're getting a metal one, तो और भी सस्ता. मतलब 15,000 में तुम्हारा काम खत्म. It is that cheap. It is not cheap. It is very affordable. And because of this price, anybody could actually go. And of course, trust hospitals are for that. That anybody can get their checkups done. But yeah, it was a lot of cost difference. And also, that doctor and the hospital advised me not to go for my lower teeth braces. और जबकि इस डॉक्टर ने तो मुझे बोला था कि इस क्या मतलब, मैं जितने भी प्राइवेट क्लिनिक्स में मैंने चेकअप करवाया था सब ने मुझे बोला था कि आपको दोनों का लगेगा ही. बट दिस ट्रस्ट वाला ही जस्ट टोल्ड मी कि आपको सिर्फ ऊपर का ही ज़रूरत है. व्हाई डू यू इवन वांट टू स्पेंड फॉर द बिलो टीथ? लाइक दैट वाज द टर्निंग पॉइंट. एंड आई वाज लाइक शिट यार, मतलब क्या करने वाली थी मैं. and dono ka, and so now I am only getting, so now I'm getting the entire treatment done in only 20,000. Upar ka sirf 20,000, and only because this is ceramic, it is costing me this much. So this is still a lot of difference. So yeah, choose your doctors and the braces very wisely, especially doctors. And braces to matlab it's okay yaar, you get metals or ceramics. If you can afford ceramics, go for it. Go for it. I would any day suggest that. But if you are a college going student, then don't spend, yeah. Matlab you can just settle with the metal one as well, and you will still end up looking pretty. Okay, so enough of fun. That was it for the day. And if you guys want to see the rest of my braces video, I'll be visiting the dog soon and I'll be recording that. So subscribe to my video and like if you really like the video, and do share it with your friends if they have already got braces or if they're gonna get braces, so it might be helpful for them. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.